Topic 2 Episode 2 How Data Analytics Helps to Solve Business Problems. Certainly. Let's break down each point further with explanations suitable for beginners to experts. Data-driven insights. Exploratory analysis. Beginner. This involves simply exploring the data to find interesting patterns or relationships without any preconceived hypotheses. It's like a treasure hunt where you're looking for valuable nuggets of information. Descriptive analytics. Intermediate. This step involves summarizing historical data to understand what has happened in the past. It's like looking at a photo album to reminisce about past events. Predictive analytics. Intermediate. Predictive analytics uses historical data and statistical algorithms to forecast future outcomes. It's akin to weather forecasting, where past weather patterns are used to predict future weather conditions. Prescriptive analytics. Expert. This advanced form of analytics not only predicts what will happen but also suggests actions to optimize outcomes. It's like having a personal coach who not only tells you what your future performance might be but also advises you on how to improve it. Enhanced decision making. Data visualization. Beginner. Data visualization involves presenting data in easy-to-understand visual formats like charts and graphs. It's like turning a complex spreadsheet into a colorful infographic. Real-time analytics. Intermediate. Real-time analytics provides insights on the fly, enabling quick decision-making in fast-paced environments. It's like having a dashboard in your car that gives you real-time information on your speed and fuel levels. Scenario analysis. Expert. Scenario analysis involves simulating different scenarios to understand their potential impact on business outcomes. It's like playing out different chess moves in your mind to anticipate your opponent's reactions. Operational efficiency. Process optimization. Beginner. Process optimization entails identifying and eliminating inefficiencies in workflows to streamline operations. It's like reorganizing your kitchen to make cooking more efficient. Resource allocation. Intermediate. This involves allocating resources such as manpower, time, and money based on demand forecasts and performance metrics. It's like distributing your study time based on the difficulty of different subjects. Inventory management. Expert. Inventory management aims to minimize excess inventory and stockouts by using data-driven strategies. It's like managing your pantry to ensure you have enough ingredients for recipes without letting anything go to waste. Customer understanding. Segmentation analysis. Beginner. Segmentation analysis involves dividing customers into groups based on common characteristics or behaviors. It's like sorting your wardrobe into categories like shirts, pants, and dresses. Customer lifetime value. Intermediate. Customer lifetime value predicts the future value of customers, helping prioritize acquisition and retention efforts. It's like calculating the long-term value of an investment. Sentiment analysis. Expert. Sentiment analysis analyzes customer feedback and social media data to gauge sentiment and improve customer satisfaction. It's like reading between the lines to understand how people feel about a particular topic. Risk management. Fraud detection. Beginner. Fraud detection involves identifying suspicious patterns or anomalies in transactions to prevent fraud. It's like spotting counterfeit money by looking for discrepancies in the bills. Credit risk assessment. Intermediate. This involves evaluating the creditworthiness of customers using predictive models to minimize default risk. It's like determining someone's reliability based on their credit history. Compliance monitoring. Expert. Compliance monitoring ensures regulatory compliance by analyzing data to detect and prevent violations. It's like conducting regular audits to ensure that all rules and regulations are being followed. Innovation and differentiation. Market research. Beginner. Market research involves analyzing market trends and consumer preferences to identify opportunities for innovation. It's like asking your friends what they like to eat before planning a dinner party. Competitive analysis. Intermediate. Competitive analysis benchmarks performance against competitors and identifies areas for differentiation. It's like studying your opponent's moves in a game to find their weaknesses. A/B testing. Expert. A/B testing involves experimenting with different strategies and measuring their impact on key metrics to optimize offerings. It's like trying out different recipes to see which one tastes better. Continuous improvement. Feedback loop. Beginner. The feedback loop involves using data analytics to gather feedback from customers and stakeholders for continuous improvement. It's like listening to customer complaints and suggestions to improve your product or service. Perform.